Do you ever notice how some men don't do anything special, yet women naturally pay attention to them? They are not shouting, not flexing money, not trying to impress, yet their presence feels different. From a female point of view, attraction is not built on looks alone or cheesy lines. It is built on how a man carries himself, how he makes her feel emotionally, and how safe, calm, and intrigued she feels around him. Many men think attraction is complicated, but in reality, it comes from simple behaviors done consistently. In this video, I am going to break down 11 things that will make you instantly attractive from a female POV. These are not theories or internet myths. These are real, practical behaviors women subconsciously respond to in daily life. If you apply even a few of these correctly, you will notice a shift in how women look at you, talk to you, and treat you. No manipulation, no fake confidence, just real glow mode principles that work in the real world. Step 1. Calm energy beats loud confidence. The first thing a woman feels when she notices you is your energy. Even before she looks at your face or hears your voice, she senses how grounded you are. From a female POV, a calm man feels strong, reliable, and attractive. Loud confidence, over-talking, or constant joking often feels like nervousness. Calm confidence, on the other hand, feels like control. A calm man moves slowly, speaks clearly, and does not rush his action. He is comfortable in his body and in the moment. To build this, start by slowing down everything you do. Walk with purpose instead of rushing. Breathe deeply before you speak. Lower your voice slightly and avoid talking just to fill silence. Psychologically, calm behavior signals leadership and emotional safety, which are deeply attractive traits for women. Step 2. You listen without trying to fix her. One of the biggest attraction killers is when a man constantly tries to fix a woman's problem. From a female POV, this feels dismissive, even if your intentions are good. When a woman talks about her stress or emotions, she usually wants understanding, not solutions. An attractive man listens fully without interrupting. He lets her finish her thoughts and responds with empathy. Instead of giving advice, he reflects her emotions by saying things like, "That sounds exhausting," or "I can understand why you felt that way." This makes her feel heard and emotionally connected. Emotional validation creates attraction faster than logical advice ever will. Step 3. Comfort with silence. Silence is powerful when used correctly. Insecure men fear silence and try to fill every gap with talking, explaining, or joking. From a female POV, a man who is comfortable with silence feels confident and mysterious. He does not need constant validation or reaction. When silence appears, stay relaxed. Maintain soft eye contact. Keep your posture open and breathe slowly. This creates tension in a positive way and makes interactions feel deeper. Psychologically, silence creates curiosity, and curiosity fuels attraction. A man who is comfortable being quiet shows he is comfortable with himself. Step 4. Self-respect in public situations. Women notice how you treat yourself, especially in social settings. If you allow disrespect, laugh at jokes made at your expense, or constantly seek approval, it signals low self-worth. From a female POV, self-respect is extremely attractive because it shows boundaries and inner strength. An attractive man does not argue or over-explain when disrespected. He responds calmly and firmly, or he simply removes himself from the situation. He does not insult himself for laughs or downplay his value. When you respect yourself, others naturally follow, and women notice this immediately. Step 5. Direction and purpose in life. You do not need to be rich or famous to be attractive, but you do need direction. From a female POV, a man who knows where he is going feels stable and secure. Purpose gives your life structure, and that structure is attractive. This can be as simple as focusing on your career, improving your health, learning a new skill, or building something meaningful for your future. Talk about your goals calmly, without bragging or complaining. Direction signals competence, and competence is one of the strongest attraction triggers. Step 6. Quietly taking care of your appearance. Attraction starts with effort. From a female POV, grooming and cleanliness signal self-respect and discipline. This is not about expensive clothes or luxury brands. It is about consistency and attention to detail. Clean skin, fresh breath, neat hair, trimmed facial hair, and fitted clothes instantly improve how women perceive you. Good posture alone can change how attractive you look. When a man looks clean and put together, women subconsciously assume he has his life together as well. Step 7. Emotional stability. Emotional stability is one of the most underrated attraction traits. Mood swings, overreactions, and constant negativity are unattractive. From a female POV, an emotionally stable man feels safe and mature. Attractive men regulate their emotions. They pause before reacting, think before responding, and do not let small problems control their mood. When you stay calm under pressure, it signals strength and maturity, which creates long-term attraction. Step 8. Making her feel feminine. From a female POV, attraction grows when she feels feminine around you. This does not mean being controlling or aggressive. It means being grounded, decisive, and emotionally stable. An attractive man leads calmly. He makes simple decisions, stays composed when things go wrong, and provides emotional stability. Masculine energy is not loud or dominant. It is calm, steady, and reliable. This naturally brings out her feminine energy and increases attraction. Step 9. Not seeking approval. Approval-seeking behavior kills attraction instantly. Constantly asking for reassurance or validation makes a man appear insecure. From a female POV, an attractive man approves of himself first. Instead of seeking validation, observe and adjust naturally. Replace phrases like, "Do you like this?" with curiosity-based statements like, "What do you think about this?" This subtle shift shows confidence and self-trust, which is far more attractive. Step 10. Treating her as a human, not a prize. Putting women on a pedestal creates imbalance and discomfort. Over-complimenting, over-investing early, or acting desperate reduces attraction. From a female POV, attractive men treat women as equals. They are warm, respectful, and genuine without exaggeration. Compliments focus on personality, energy, or character rather than just looks. This feels authentic and creates deeper attraction. Step 11. The ability to walk away. The most powerful attraction trait is the ability to walk away when needed. From a female POV, this signals strength, self-respect, and abundance. An attractive man does not chase disrespect or beg for attention. He values connection but does not depend on it. When you are willing to walk away from situations that do not respect you, your value automatically increases. Scarcity and self-respect together create strong attraction. Attraction is not about tricks or manipulation. It is about alignment, self-respect, and emotional strength. When you stay calm, move with purpose, and respect yourself, women naturally feel it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss future Glow Mode content. Remember, real attraction starts from within. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and stay in glow mode.